Can you put love on pause? Turn it off like notifications on your phone? Decide not now and expect your brain to obey? It feels like we control our emotions. But by the end of this video, you'll see who's actually pressing the buttons. The heart has nothing to do with it. Here's what most people get wrong. Love doesn't start in the heart. It starts in the brain. And it's not magic, it's chemistry. Sexual desire is driven by testosterone and estrogen. Then comes romantic infatuation, a surge of dopamine, serotonin, and adrenaline. That's why your hands shake, your pulse rises, you feel euphoric. Your brain is switching into a reward and obsession mode, and that's only stage one. The 3 biological phases. Love isn't one emotion, it's 3 separate biological systems. First, lust. Second, romantic fixation. Third, attachment. During attachment, oxytocin and vasopressin take over. They create calm, trust, and long-term bonding. From an evolutionary standpoint, this was essential. Raising offspring required 2 adults long before concepts like duty or commitment existed. So if this is a biological program, can we stop it? Why this person? The strangest part of love is selection. Out of hundreds of people, why this one? One major factor is scent, not perfume, biology. Inside our cells are proteins from the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. These genes influence our immune system. Studies have shown that women often prefer the natural scent of men whose MHC genes differ from their own. Genetic difference can mean stronger immune systems in offspring. Your brain may be calculating compatibility before you're even aware of it, which suggests something unsettling. You may not be choosing as freely as you think, but if the brain starts it, can the brain stop it? What about pheromones? Pop culture says pheromones control attraction. Buy the right scent and anyone can fall for you. The problem? Human pheromones haven't been clearly proven. Yes, men produce compounds similar to pheromones found in animals. But they don't create irresistible attraction. And our vomeronasal organ, the structure that detects pheromones in many animals, is minimally functional in humans. Love isn't perfume, it's neurochemistry. And neurochemistry leads us somewhere unexpected. Love as a mild form of madness. Here's the surprising part. Early-stage romantic love can resemble a disorder. In 1999, researchers found that people in the first phase of romantic love showed similarities to obsessive-compulsive patterns. Intrusive thoughts, fixation, altered serotonin activity. Your brain becomes hyper-focused. Medications that regulate serotonin transport, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, can reduce the intensity of these symptoms. So technically, yes, love can be dampened, but should it be? What we call a feeling is actually a complex neurobiological survival system. You can influence it, you can medicate it, you can understand it. But you can't fully pause it, because love isn't just emotion. It's a species-level survival mechanism. We often think love makes us irrational, but for millions of years, it's been making us connected. So can you control love on a schedule? Not completely, but understanding what's happening inside your brain might be the closest thing to control we'll ever get.